So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the detailed analytics of any Facebook account, your favorite Facebook creator. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search called socialblade.com. Just simply open this first website, which says socialblade.com. You can see the right URL over there, and here you have to go to this option which says Facebook. Just simply tap over there, and once you do that, you're gonna find the list of the top uh, creator on Facebook by likes, and here you have to search the creator of which you want to check the detail analytics. For example, if I open the Cristiano Ronaldo's Facebook account, Facebook page, and here I'm going to find the detailed analytics of Cristiano Ronaldo's Facebook account. You can see the number of followers and the progress day by day, the number of likes and everything you can get here, and all the statistics will get load depending upon your internet speed. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.